Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about this little toy that I bought for myself to learn Chinese Mandarin. So it's kind of like some flashcards. It's a little toy that you put a card and then it say the word in Chinese Mandarin. Someone in my one of my shorts recommend that I use flashcards to practice my Chinese, which I did when I was learning Japanese. However, the thing that I used to learn with flashcards was something online. And to be honest, if it's not like on my cell phone, I don't really use some flashcards. And at the moment, I don't want to use my cell phone every time I'm learning Chinese. So I figure why not buy something that already have some flashcards so I don't have to do it myself. And I saw this on Amazon. It was like around $20 Canadian dollar, which is not too expensive for something like that. So I'm gonna talk about a little bit of what it looks like. If you want to skip, I'll put all the minutes that you can skip to the things that you want. But this is the little machine. So it's really cute. They gave you the instruction and something to recharge it. So I'm gonna open it. Oh, is it already open?
小朋友，让我们开始吧。
So I have to look what is it saying. If you speak Chinese, let me know what the machine is saying. But I think it's something like a friend, 朋友, it's friend, right? So, hey friend, something, I'm not sure if it's let's learn or something like that. But you have like a little thing like that every cards come, and they have different kind of cards with different colors. So you have animal, vehicle, necessity, food, vegetable, fruits, family, color, shape, job, custom, and natural. So I kind of like separate already. I try to see all the cards to see what I know. And to be honest, I was a bit discouraged when I saw that I don't know that much of like the words that they have. I know about family. I know some of the animals and a little bit like more food. Of course, there are things that I know that they don't have, but yeah, I have a lot of work to do. But yeah, I like that they kind of like put the image, the word in English, and you have two sides. So you can, each card have two words. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to use the cards that I know already, well, the words that I know, and see if my pronunciation is good. So let's go with rice. So rice, I think it's mi fan. Just so you know, I'm not that good with the tones yet. So sometimes I might use like the third tones and it's the first one, but yeah, this game will probably help me. So I think it's mi fan.
米饭
Mi fan.
rice
So that was not the right tone. Mi fan.
米饭
Mi fan.
rice
Steak, I'm not sure. I don't think I learned
牛
it.
排
No, I didn't know that.
steak
Okay. So milk, it's 牛奶. 牛奶. I think it's like 奶. 牛奶.
牛奶
牛奶. I think
milk
that was good. Bread, is it? Oh, baiba? Baiba? I'm not sure.
面包 bread
No, it's not that at all. Let's see. Noodles. Noodle is mi. No, mian. Mian.
面条
Oh,
noodles
I think you can say mian without the other word. Yeah, so I'll probably do a video of like all the cards that I know, or maybe not. Just to see like if I'm getting better, maybe more like an update. But yeah, let's do a little bit of family. So I did a shorts also. If you want like a little video without watching all this, you can just go check this. But I'll do like different cards that I didn't do in my short. So did I do mama? I don't remember. I think it's mama, mama,
Mama.
mama.
Mother.
Because the thing is, if I don't say the ma in the right way, I might say horse, which is ma. So I have to say mama and no mama. So horse, I think it's ma. Ma. Yeah, that's good. And dog, oh, forgot he did that. The dog is gao, gao. Okay.
Go.
Gao.
Dog.
I know cat, which is Mao, Mao,
Mall.
Mao.
Cat.
Yeah, I have to work on my tones. So, okay, I didn't know it was gonna do all these sounds, but yeah. So this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can.
请重新查看。
What is that?
请重新查看。
Let's. Do I have to put a card?
Go. Go. Go.
Oh, it's like repeating. Okay,
Dog.
the sentence. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna try to do this
休息一会儿。
maybe
拜拜。
twice per week, because if you didn't watch my last video, I kind of like explain everything. I'm gonna practice every day at least 10 to 15 minutes, different kind of stuff. So with this, I think it's easier for me than practicing on my cell phone or a laptop. So yeah, and I'm also trying to read the Henze. So this is why I really wanted some flashcard with only the Henze. So I don't have the pinyin. So if I'm not sure how to read it, I'm gonna have to really search for it. But let's say this is 姐姐. But this why I want to do that, because when I'm gonna go to China, with the menu, they don't have pinyin. I don't think so. I'm gonna try to use this. I'll let you know how I like it maybe in a few weeks, and I probably will do some practice of me using this to see if you want to practice at the same time than me. But yeah, I think it's a good thing to buy that is not too expensive and that can help to learn without being on our cell phone. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Would you buy this? Thank you for watching. 再见.